Today I'm making chickpea garbanzo tuna salad. I don't have a specific recipe I go by, but I will share my ingredients card with you. Rinse these. I'm just coarsely chopping these because I'm going to bring in the chopper. Is my hand in the way? Let me get a spoon. Exactly what I was hoping for. I'm just gonna mash the garbanzos while I wait for the pan to heat up, because I'm gonna saute the onions, carrots, and celery. I feel like it brings out more flavor. I won't be using lemon today because this already has citrus in it. I'm not sure about this. Not bad, not bad. About 2 teaspoons of dill relish. Toss this together. Two spoons of mayonnaise, possibly. Maybe that's too much. We'll see. Alright, let's taste it. I need some salt for that. Alright, let's see. That's good. This is the bread I use. It's a light full 45. It's amazing. You can either do a sandwich or a wrap or just put it on crackers. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. Alright, so if you don't want a full-size wrap, this is a little trick I use sometimes. Or you could just buy some small tortillas, either way. Ooh, you want to see me taste test this? Alright, you talk me into it. It is amazing. And it has a crunch, too. Even after frying it, it has a crunch. That's good. I'll save the rest for later. We're blessed.